We're seeing some definite signs of panic and confusion with the West Indies selectors and the final 15 going into the ICC World Cup. I think they made a big mistake by publicly announcing that their provisional 15, named some weeks ago, is their final 15 for the World Cup. Now that they are in the British conditions and seeing how the pitches are flat and the ball is not swinging and how the bat is dominating the ball, now is when they should be re-evaluating their provisional squad and picking some horses for courses in that final 15. This thing we're hearing about Dwayne Bravo and Kieran Pollard and John Campbell being a part of the reserves, while Fabian Allen and Carlos Brathwaite and Ashley Nurse are in the final 15, is a joke. From day one, the 15 was short a specialist batsman, and now that it is appearing that batting will be the key in this World Cup, it makes it even worse. Anyway, let us hope and pray that for the West Indies' sake, Ricky Skerritt and Robert Haynes and the rest of the selectors and Floyd Reefer and the rest of the coaching staff, let us hope that they all know what they are doing and that they will be proven right and that the Maverick will be proven wrong. Because of pure nice neck and we don't know nothing about cricket and I just run there, run up my mouth and blah, 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 blah. Yes, 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 the Maverick wrong. Make me hope to the Maverick.